Hey everybody, I am doing a split hair dryer pour. I saw some other people doing these on the YouTube and it looked way cool. I already poured the half because I didn't know if I would have enough. And I mixed it a little thin, unfortunately. It's Prussian blue, or no it isn't, it's Payne's gray. Liquitex Basics Payne's gray. And I will probably have to go over the sides again when it is dry. Because the white of the canvas is showing through, which happens when you have a darker color over a white canvas. So usually if I'm doing negative space with the dark color, I paint the canvas that color. And then you don't have to worry about the bleed through. So now I'm putting my white. These are all mixed with Floetrol and water. And I watched them blow this part of the paint out too, which worked really well. If you have enough white on there, which it doesn't look like I do on all the sides. Yeah, I'm definitely going to have to go over that, but that's all right. Alrighty. So I'm going to do some black. I'm actually going to blow it into the Payne's gray area. Because I love, love, love my white negative space. So I want to keep as much of that as possible. So that was just black. This is, if I can get it open, it's just a self-mixed metallic blue. Bit of silver. And let's try it. I think I have way too much paint on here. I had apparently way too liquidy of Payne's gray, so went a little too fast and furious on that one. So it didn't quite turn out how I expected, but nonetheless, it's very pretty. My paper towels. I might blow that this way a little. If I can. No, that's done. I love the Payne's gray. Would have been nice to have a little bit more of it, but this will do. Ooh, and really pretty cells. See what it looks like from this side. Alright, just give you a close up. So it just goes to show that even when it doesn't turn out exactly as you think it's gonna, I think I just had way too much paint on that canvas. Because this is only a 10 by 10 canvas, so it can't handle tons of paint. But boy, is it sure pretty. I love this. It's very cool. There we go, brighten it to how it actually looks. Whoa, it does not actually look like that. So thank you so much for watching. And I will, as always, catch you next time. Bye.